if these allegations are true, nilalagyan po ng if sapagkat hindi naman tayo nagko-convict dito if these allegations are true, we are looking at the literal conversion of the public treasury into duffel bags for private distribution. This is why clarificatory questions are not just a procedural right. They are a constitutional necessity. That we need to ask, bakit kailangang dumaan ang pera sa duffel bag? At car tarkis kung legal ito. How can the office of the Vice President justify spending 125 million pesos in just 11 days in safe houses for payers that PSA says do not even exist? If there is nothing to hide, Madam Chair, ladies and gentlemen, if there is nothing to hide, therefore, there is nothing to fear.